The LED frames are a popular item at AM.CO.za, and this is how you hang them up for display. In your box, you will find hanging brackets, 45-degree brackets for the A2, A3, and A4 frames, and 90-degree brackets for the A1, 600 by 900, and 800 by 1200 millimeter frames. Now, simply slide the holding brackets at the back of the frame to where you want it on all four sides. And then screw the holding bracket down. Not too tight at first, so that you can move to where you want. Then tighten it so that it cannot move. Do the same on all four sides. You can connect the A1, 600 by 900, and 800 by 1200 millimeter frames directly to 220-volt household power because they have an inbuilt transformer. So, with your hanging screws in place, simply slide the hanging bracket onto them, making sure that they snap into place. And you are good to go. Switch the power on and enjoy your display. For the A2, A3, and A4 frames, use the 45-degree hanging brackets. And again, place the screws wherever you want the display to be, and just hang the frame onto the screws. Now, for the A2, A3, and A4 frames, you must use a 12-volt power supply. And yes, we do stock them here as well. We also have a variety of hanging frames, and you can hang them from the side or the top, securing them to a ceiling bracket. Just push and release the control unit to lengthen or shorten the cable. And then connect the power cable either directly or making use of a switch in line. And the same applies for all our hanging frames. Next, we have our desktop stand options. For the A3 option, simply screw the foot section onto the main bracket and the main bracket onto the frame. Put the cover on. Connect the power supply and place it where you want. For the A2, you only need to screw the main bracket in place. Use the sliders to position it horizontal or vertical. The A4 desktop stand uses feet that you screw into the sliders. LED frame displays are awesome, and we have you covered for whatever your need is. Just call sales for more information.
At AM.CO.za, we sell machines for you, we fix machines for you, and we teach machines for you.